Honestly, He cares for you. He's standing in front of you. He knows what you are going through. Alam niya yan. At hindi siya nagugulat sa mga bagay na ikinagulat mo. And because of that, He has solutions already. You just need to surrender to Him. Father in heaven, thank you for everything that happened to our lives. May our spirit say, I will still praise you. Sa gitna ng bagyo, sa gitna ng hirap, na may patuloy kitang purihin, Panginoon. Hinihiling ko, O Diyos, na gabayan mo ang aking mga kaibigan. I ask, O Lord, that you touch them right now with your healing hands. In the mighty name of Jesus, receive God's complete healing right now. We are claiming restoration in them, in every cell of their body, in all the systems of their body. Heal them in Jesus' mighty name. Restore them, O God. Give back the joy that was stolen from them. Give back the time, the energy, and the resources, O Lord. Naagabyado ang mga anak mong ito. Pawiin mo ito, Panginoon, at ibalik sa kanila sigsikliglig at umaan. I also pray for their relationships, O God, with their loved ones, with their friends, with their family. And I continue to claim answered prayers for them and dreams coming true. Lahat ng mga pangarap nila, Panginoon, sa buhay, na makikita nila itong may isang katuparan. Inaangkin namin ito, Jesus. Now, in your silence, my dear friend, I would like you to speak to your God. Speak to Him in your silence. Surrender to Him. Trust in Him. Surrender your pain, your fears. Surrender your hopes to Him. And receive something in return. Receive God's peace right now. At itong sabi ni Jesus sa iyo, and He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavy